Hey friends, if you wish to fix desktop refresh option not working in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. First of all, restart File Explorer. Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Task Manager. Wait till it loads. Right click on Windows Explorer and select Restart. The next solution is to update Windows. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and select Check for Updates in the right pane. Okay, the third solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Type the command SFC space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution is to update drivers. So search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Device Manager. To update the drivers, check for any driver here that has an exclamation mark and you can right click and update it. Or else when you update Windows, the drivers will be updated automatically. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.